I just got her together, y'all. Beat in that intro, honey. So let's start off with these brows before anything. Brows is always first, unless you're doing the face and you do it completely backwards. I already applied the brow gel and the powder. So what I'm doing now is filling her brows in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And then now I am taking my concealer in NC45 from MAC to conceal her brows, y'all. So if I would have looked at her brows from forward, so I'm working from side to side, so I'm not looking completely forward at her face. The brow that I was doing now, I would have basically made more brow to curve it down, because that brow goes outward and the other one goes down, if you get what I'm saying. So now what I'm doing is applying P. Louise base at number 5 to get started with her shadow. And I am taking my Makeup Addiction Cosmetics shadow palette in Flamin' Love. And that's the first shade that I applied. Then I'm taking my 35O palette, and it's the shade in there. They don't give names, they give names on the tab, so I don't completely know the names on that palette. And I'm just taking it with a fluffy crease brush and tapping it on the first shade. And then for the third shade, I want to take Ginger out of the Jackiana palette just to finalize the transitions. Now what you're going to do is go back in with each color and deepen them up. And also, I'm leaving a little space in the front so that I can put the gold all on that lid area instead of going all the way into the front with the shadow. Once I deepen up my transition shades, what I'm going to do is take my 142 concealer buffer brush and basically pat out the front of that space to get prepared for the shadows to go on. So I'm taking this gold out of the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and I'm just pressing it on. And then I want to take a little bit of my white gold from J. La Rue because I want a little bit of that sparkle in the front, y'all. That I was popping, to be honest. I don't even need to put no glitter on it, and if you don't want to put any glitter on it, you don't have to. It's personal preference. She booked a session with no cut crease, but she wanted glitter and lashes, so whatever she wants, and I just go based off their clothes. So this ombre effect, see, that's what I'm saying, you don't even have to put no glitter. I put a little bit of orange just to give me and help me with the transition from closing the outer part up, the outer V area up, and it was fat. I was gonna do a line, but y'all are probably tired of me seeing these straight across lines. I don't know, I actually love them, but that wing on her looked bomb. So now what I'm going to do is go in with a mixture of glitter. So I'm taking my Kiki Adams from her Glow Up Academy business, and she sent over these glitters, y'all. So why not just use these glitters? So it's a gold glitter that she has in the collection, and then I also mixed it up with mermaid scales glitter and some more glitter. So I will leave in the description right below. But now taking these Beauty Supply lashes, y'all. These 25 millimeter lashes from the Beauty Supply, y'all. Oh my god. Yes, definitely a must if you can't afford the mink ones, the real ones. So these are like basically the synthetic versions of the mink 25 millimeters. So now I'm just priming her face. The same primers that I use on me, I use on my clients, depending on if they're oily or combination. I got combination skin, so definitely the combination, I'm definitely going to use that. Now what I'm doing is basically doing her face. I am going so fast because this tutorial isn't that long, and I am doing her face like I normally would. On my face, I just go by, you know, that face structure, and I just look at it. Also with the matching with foundation, I grabbed NARS in New Caledonia and Macau and Tahoe. That's like the 3 main colors when people come to me. I just be like, okay, yes, because I love NARS. So one day I'm gonna get the full collection so I can have for all my clients in NARS, because I love that NARS foundation, especially for my clients. What I'm loving now is that Anastasia, y'all. Oh, I love that foundation. I don't know, I tried it yesterday on the vlog. It's so bomb. Like, ever since that facial, my face has been bomb when I use that foundation. Ooh. But yeah, y'all, I'm just basically doing her face like I would normally do mine. And ooh, get out the camera, girl. Right now is I'm taking this nude liner from Rimmel London and then just basically putting a line of dark brown under her eyes, just slightly, and then mascara and putting eyeshadow like that under her eyes, and then that is it, y'all. I'm gonna do her lips. I just added Lime Crime's Salmon liquid lipstick, and then some concealer and gloss. And that was it, y'all. Everything will be in the description right below. Don't forget to check out everything down there. Don't forget to comment, y'all, and tell me what y'all think about this look. And I'll see you guys on the next one.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up and